Rocket Lab has successfully delivered its third Pioneer spacecraft to Varda Space Industries, marking a big milestone in their collaboration on orbital manufacturing missions. This spacecraft is actually going to support Varda's endeavors in microgravity manufacturing, aiming to produce like materials that are challenging to create on Earth. There's a lot of pieces going on here. Although the big challenge here is going to be ensuring that the spacecraft systems are operating flawlessly in orbit to achieve the desired manufacturing outcomes, and then also safe re-entry to make sure that they can retrieve the material.
Yeah, I'm not going to go on that re-entry piece. I think in space, it's not just about getting your materials up there, back. It's about how you manufacture them in zero gravity. The challenges are massive. The returns are phenomenal for zero gravity, of course, but the challenges are massive. Maintaining control over the production process in a microgravity environment and making sure that these materials come back to Earth in a usable state. Number one challenge.
Manufacturing in space sounds like a pretty massive breakthrough. Isn't it all about weightlessness and zero gravity? I mean, what's the real challenge here, I guess?
Yeah, I mean, it's not just about weightlessness. It's about how the absence of gravity changes everything, from the way those liquids and gases behave to how your materials are going to solidify. You can create more perfect materials in space, but if you can't control the manufacturing process with that kind of precision, it's going to lead to faulty products. Think of a factory where everything that's made gets ruined before it even hits the shelf.
Yeah, kind of useless. So it's not just about getting the materials up there. It's about making sure they're manufactured properly once they're up there.
Exactly. So to make this a scalable manufacturing process, Varda Space Industries needs to control every aspect of microgravity production. So from your material properties to your environmental conditions, if they can't manage all of that precisely, they'll just be throwing resources into space without any guarantee of usable products when it's time to actually bring them back to Earth.
So then how can they make sure that they're actually producing something that's useful while they're doing all this?
Yeah, I think it's digital thread in space. It's full monitoring of the manufacturing environment, your material integrity in real time to make sure everything is tracked during production. You'll need your supply chain synchronized. There's another challenge in space, making sure your space manufacturing directly with Earth-based logistics to make sure the right materials are made, they're collected and brought back safely for use. And then lastly, you've got your maintenance side of things, your predictive maintenance models, making sure that your entire process to predict any potential flaws in material creation due to microgravity, and then nail that process in space, and you've created an entirely new manufacturing ecosystem. Miss a step, and then you're sending stuff into orbit for zero reason and
Also
expensive.
cool, but yeah.
Next one.